shimmering, sparkling. How can bilateral trade between Hong Kong and the Middle East shine like diamonds? As the holder of 10 Guinness World Records, Dr. Aaron Shum has set up a jewelry museum in Hong Kong.
世界各地同鑽石相關嘅一間公司或者一個人擁有10個呢個咁嘅紀錄咧，暫時都好似唔多國有其他鑽石藝術博物館啦。我覺得香港應該當為一個景點啦，亦都係一個可以持續發展嘅，可以係一個世界性嘅虛擬鑽石藝術博物館啦，可以係一個實體嘅吸納世界各地嘅鑽石藝術品啦，都會令到香港咧發展成為鑽石貿易中心關鍵性嘅 support 嚟嘅。
Hong Kong has long been recognized as a major center for jewelry trading. What are its prospects?
我覺得香港係好適合去做呢個裸鑽嘅鑽石貿易，特別國內已經一個咁龐大嘅市場啦，東南亞亦都係啦，佢哋咧都好需要有個地方集中做一啲嘅鑽石嘅貿易嘅集散。政府咧好應該咧同呢個業內嘅人士咧認真坐埋傾下，點樣好似黃金交易所做返個鑽石交易所喺香港咧。
Dr. Shum is a pioneer of trade between Hong Kong and the Middle East. Drawing on his nearly 50 years of business experience, he believes cultural exchange is the key to success.
貿發局喺中東有辦事處，近呢幾年亦都有駐中東辦，但係我覺得係爭咗一樣好重要嘅嘢，應該有個係駐中東嘅旅遊局，點樣宣傳香港嘅旅遊文化？而家香港有好多個藝術館啦、博物館啦，即係 shop 一啲咁推介香港。而家講親就想叫人哋過嚟投資，倒不如叫人過嚟旅遊，叫人過嚟建立友誼先啦。咁我相信咧，如果能夠喺嗰邊咧大力宣傳香港嘅旅遊文化，經香港去大灣區咧，佢哋覺得好啱。
What is his advice for business people who would like to explore the Middle East market?
要多啲去到訪啊，多啲了解佢哋嘅風土人情啊、法律啊，同埋要打好嘅關係咧，先至可以做到生意嘅。要去就一齊去，一班人咁去咧，嗰個力度咧係好過單打獨鬥。咁你自己過去當然可以啦，一個人行得快啫，但係一班人行得遠啊嘛。
Our Hong Kong Foundation, connecting the world.